Hi students, this is Viswanath Chemistry faculty for NEET and IIT exams. In last class we completed some of the questions regarding to IIT mains exam held on 24th of February shift 1. Now see the next question. Which of the following ores are concentrated by cyanide of group 1 element? Cyanide of group 1 element means NaCN, KCN like this. So this question related to general principles and isolation of elements. Now in this sphalerite, malachite, calamine and siderite. Generally this cyanide process concentration method by cyanide is used for sulfide ores. In the given options, if we see the molecular formula of each one, for this ZnS, this one CuCO3, CuOH twice, ZnCO3, and this one Fe2O3. So sphalerite is concentrated by using cyanide of group 1 element, that is NaCN. That's why option A is the answer for this question. Sphalerite is concentrated by using sodium cyanide element, sodium cyanide compound. Next, phthalic anhydride plus P gives rise to H2SO4 and NaOH. Pink color. We have to identify this P reagent. Say this. This reaction is similar to phenolphthalein preparation. Phenolphthalein is a acid-base indicator. It gives pink color in basic medium and colorless in acidic medium. See the phenolphthalein preparation reaction. In this phenolphthalein preparation, phthalic anhydride treated with 2 moles of phenol in presence of concentrated H2SO4, then phenolphthalein is obtained by removing water molecule. Say this. This is phthalic anhydride. So this is phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein, this one. In the same way, the given reaction also we can complete. See this. Phthalic anhydride. Here P reagent is option A. Take this option A. 2 moles. Then we can get this one. This is the product in this case. OH, this one. So if we take option A in place of P, then we can get this product. It also gives pink color, this one, pink color in presence of basic medium. Now you may get a doubt, why can't we take other options in place of P? See this other options. OH group is a ortho para directing group. Already ortho position occupied by ethyl group. come to the, para position is occupied by ethyl group. Come to the ortho positions. So this phthalic anhydride can be bonded to this compound at ortho position, either this or this one. If it is attached to this position, it is a bulky group. So repulsive forces dominating between lone pair of electrons present on the oxygen and lone pair of electrons present on this oxygen. That's why product is not stable. Here also same thing. Para position occupied. For this para position occupied, either this or the position, this one or the position. Here also steric hindrance dominates, so product is less stable. In this one also ortho position. Here also same thing. So only possible is option A. For this question, option A is the answer. Next, see the next one. What is the major product of the following reaction? Alkene is given. It is treated with HI. Say this. This is the given alkene. So in this HI, first electrophilic addition takes place. That means H plus. In this HI, H plus I minus we can get. So H plus attacks at this double bonded carbon atom. Then we can get carbocation, this one. So this double bond is shifted to this carbon. This H plus attacks at this position. Positive charge is developed at this carbon, that is this one. Now this carbocation, what type of carbocation? Secondary carbocation. Positively charged carbon atom is bonded with this carbon and this carbon. Now methyl shifting takes place. Methyl shifting from this carbon to this carbon, methyl shifting takes place. Then we can get tertiary carbocation. This is tertiary carbocation. Now this carbocation attacked by I minus. Then we can get this one. So this is the product. What is the suitable option for this question? Option C is the suitable option. Next one. Which of the following have both the compounds isostructural? Isostructural means similar compounds. Similar structure. Different compounds having similar structure, those are called isostructural compounds. Here 4 options are given. In these, which 2 options having same structure, similar structure? See this, TiCl4. Titanium tetrachloride. It has tetrahedral structure. So that is this one. Next, SiCl4, silicon tetrachloride. This one also tetrahedral structure. And second option Q, SO4 2 minus, sulfate ion, chromate ion. Sulfate ion, say this. SO4 2 minus, sulfur central atom, double bonded oxygen. This one, it is also tetrahedron. Next, CrO4 2 minus, chromate, central atom chromium, double bonded oxygen, O minus, this one also O minus. So in this way, TiCl4, SiCl4, SO4 2 minus, CrO4 2 minus. These 2 compounds, these 2 ions having similar structure, tetrahedral. Then what is the option? Option A, P and Q having similar structure. So P and Q have isostructural compounds and ions. Okay students, next one. Al plus NaOH gives rise to X. It is treated with Y. It is a gas. We can get Z. Identify X, Y, Z in the above reaction sequence. Okay, this question is related to leaching of bauxite. A leaching of bauxite means bauxite is a ore of aluminium. Bauxite is a ore of aluminium. When this bauxite is treated with concentrated NaOH solution, then we can get sodium aluminate. That sodium aluminate is treated by passing carbon dioxide gas. Then we can get hydrated alumina. Okay, see the reactions. Al2O3 plus 2NaOH plus 3H2O gives rise to 2NaAlOH 4 times. This is sodium aluminate. Sodium aluminate. So this is X. This sodium aluminate treated with carbon dioxide gas. Then we can get Al2O3 X H2O plus 2NaHCO3. So this is Z, this is Y. So finally X is NaAlOH 4 times, sodium aluminate, Y is CO2 gas, Z is hydrated alumina. Then what is the suitable option? Option C is the answer. These equations are given in the NCERT textbook 6th chapter, class 12 6th chapter. Okay, next, identify the major product. Alkyl dibromide is given, is treated with magnesium in presence of dry ether. Already we know that alkyl halides treated with magnesium in presence of dry ether means we can get Grignard reagent. See the reaction. This is the given compound treated with magnesium. Then we can get Br and MgBr. Now between carbon and magnesium, bond is polar bond, covalent, but polarity is more because electronegativity difference is more between carbon and magnesium. Then it acquires positive charge, it acquires negative charge. Here bromine is more electronegative, it acquires negative charge, this carbon acquires positive charge. So bond breaking takes place, then new bond is formed between this negatively charged carbon atom and positively charged carbon atom. Then we can get the product, that is this one. So this is nothing but option B. This one. Option B, we can get the product in this reaction. Okay students, we'll meet you in the next class.